Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is the final part of the Brilliant Stars booster box opening. We got these 10 packs right here that we are going to open. And yeah, let's just hope we get something good. Yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, here is your, hold on, let it focus. Here is your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. Starting off, Leaf Energy, Freshwater Set, Starmite, Weevil, Snorunt, Nose Pass, Denene, Cubchoo, Shinx, we got Magmortar, and we got a Charizard V-Star. Wow. Alright, I will put the price up on screen for this card off of what I find. Wow, that is the first pack we opened today, and that is, wow, definitely the best card for today. Wow. Alright, well, let's get another pack open. See what we can pull here. One, two, three, four. Alright, here is your code card. Alright, starting off, we got the Psychic Energy. We got Dusclops. Morgrem. Got Gabite. We got another Denene. And a Cubchoo. We got a Duskull. Farfetch'd. And Execute. A Reverse Hollow Drudgian. And a Zarud V. Butchered that name, definitely. Alright, wow, so we've had great luck so far with our pulls. Alright, on to the third pack. Alright, here is your code card. Alright, starting off, we got Dark Energy, we got Beartic, we got a Collapsed Stadium, we got a Luxio, Nose Pass, Snorunt, Clink, Denene, Cubchoo, Reverse Hollow, I think, yeah, Wormadam, and a Lumion V, which is really cool art. I actually like that. Wow, so we have had a V pull and up for these first 3 packs. Wow, that is crazy. Alright, on to the fourth. Alright, I dropped the code card. Sorry. Alright, there it is. Alright, starting off, we have water energy. Oh, we got a pot helmet. Yes. Siliglyph, Mincio, Baltoy, Snowrunt, Nosepass. We got a Milcery, Reverse Hollow Breloom, and a Mewtwo. Going to be honest, I'm not a big fan of this art on this card. Huh. Alright. On to the fifth pack. Let's see what we can get. Alright. Here is the code card. Alright, starting off, we have the V-Star card, Pot Helmet, Siliglyph, another one of those, Duskull, Farfetch'd, Execute, Grimer, Sneasel. Ooh! A single strike VMAX card. Let's get this focused in. My hands are shaking. Wow. Alright. And another V card, Drampa. Wow. Wow. We have pulled 5 V cards out of 5 packs. Wow, that's honestly the best luck I have had ever pulling Pokemon cards. Alright. I dropped the code card again. Okay. Here is your code. Starting off, we have a Metal Energy. We have Morgrem, Friends Galar. We got a Probobass, a Chubchoo, a Denene, a Farfetch'd, a Duskull, a Grimer, a Reverse Hollow Siliglyph, and a Grimmsnarl. Alright, we have 4 packs left. Right here, and it's actually all 4 of the art styles for these packs. I'm going to save the Arceus and the Charizard for last. And let's just see what we can pull. Hopefully we can get another V-Star, because that's always the dream. But we'll see. I did 4 and then I was like, wait, what? Alright. There's your code card. Starting off, we have a Psychic Energy, Morgrim. We have Friends and Galar, a Probopass. We have a Bidoof, an Electabuzz, a Chimechow, a Gibble, a Turtwig, a Reverse Hollow Bidoof, and an Electivire. Sorry if I went quick on that. Here is that Reverse Hollow. Alright. Now we have the Shaman art. My favorite. Okay, let's see here. Here is your code card. Sorry, I had to check outside the window real quick. Alright. We have a Leaf Energy, Floatzel, Silliglyph, a Electric Squirrel. I still can't say the name. A Gibble, a Trapinch, an Execute, a Starly, Shroomish, Reverse Hollow Clink, and a Lapras. Alright, next we are getting into the Charizard art. Saving the Arceus for last. Let's just hope we can get one more V-Star pull. That would be the dream. Here is your code card. Alright. We got Energy. We got Team Yell's Cheer. We got that guy. We got Cleansing Gloves. Trapinch. Piplup. Shroomish. Purloin. Duskull. Reverse Hollow Luxray. And a Liepard. Alright. This is the last pack we are doing today. It is the Arceus art. Let's hope I get an amazing pull like I did on the first one. One can dream. Alright. Here is your code card. Alright, starting off, we have Fire Energy. We got Team Yell's Cheer. We got Sension. Oh, whatever it is. Cleansing Glove. We got a Shinx. We got a Bidoof. We got an Electabuzz. We got a Halucha. A Buzzile. We got the Flareon art card, which I pulled, I believe, I pulled one of them before, maybe the Jolteon, in the first video of this series, and it was amazing art. I absolutely love it. I believe there's one more, a boss's orders, the Cyrus card, which is hollow. But yeah, so that is all of the packs for today. Let me quickly pull up all of the amazing cards that I pulled today. By pull them up, I mean I'm going to re-show you guys the amazing cards. Only two of them. So first of all, the Charizard V-Star. That is probably the most valuable card I've pulled so far. Which I do still have 3 more packs that I'm not doing on camera. And then we also, sorry, had it upside down. Also have this card, which I love the art style for. But anyways, that is going to do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. There actually will probably be a little bit more to this if I pull anything good out of these last 6 that I'm doing with my friend. But if you don't hear anything after this point, then it's over. So, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what I can do better. This video gets, let's say 15 likes. 15 likes and I'll go buy another booster box. Sounds like a plan. Alright. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.